Hello, my name is Beth Dixon, and this is a video series based on Vicki Borlaug's PowerPoint presentation on brown cows, an introduction to the binomial distribution. I wish to thank Mrs. Borlaug for allowing me to use her PowerPoint to make this set of videos. In previous videos we have of this set, and for this PowerPoint, we have introduced the binomial distribution and shown how the formula for the binomial distribution works. And we are ready to cover example number 3. There are 5 books on a shelf and 2 are novels. A book is randomly selected and then it is put back before the next book is picked. This is called sampling with replacement. If 7 books are randomly selected from the shelf with replacement, find the probability that 4 are novels. If it's a binomial, it should have the variables which then indicate that it also has some of the characteristics. So let's go through and see if it, well, first of all, we'll see if it's a binomial. If it's a binomial, it should have a success and a failure. The success is picking a novel. Find the probability that 4 are novels. So it's either a novel or not. So yes, it has 2 choices. It should have a fixed number of trials, and it does. There are 7 books picked from the shelf. That is a fixed number of trials. Let's go through and get those 2 numbers filled in. Success is a novel. 7 books are randomly selected, so it's a fixed number of trials. Next is the probability. There are 5 books on a shelf and 2 are novels. So we are sampling with replacement. So every time we select a book, 2 out of the 5 are novels. That tells us that the probability when we pick will remain the same, and each pick will be independent from each other pick and meets the last 2 requirements of a binomial. So our probability of success is 2 out of 5, or 0.4. Our Q is 1 minus 0.4, or 0.6. That's the probability of not being a novel. And our X's run from 0 through 7. We will want to draw a chart, and since our problem asks the probability that 4 are novels, we're looking for exactly 4. Find the probability that 4 are novels. 7 is our total. 4 is what we're looking for. So that 4 will go here, and 7 minus 4 gives me the 3 that goes here. 0.4 is the probability of success. 0.6 is the probability of failure. That gives us 0.1935. Here is 2 more class questions. And this concludes our PowerPoint on the binomial distribution. If you need additional help and are a Walter State student, please stop by the Math Lab in MBSS 222. Thank you.